everyone, Nikhil this side. I'm from Raj Lakshmi Solution. Welcome to my channel. In the today's video, we will see the settings of CRM, which types of setting in CRM. So we can see. So grab your seat and hit the like button and let's get started. Okay. For the CRM setting, we need to just open the CRM. You can find in the left hand side the CRM. Okay. So for the CRM setting, you just click on the more option. You can see the setting button. Just click on the setting. You can see the CRM setting over here. Just click on that CRM settings. Okay, you can see the multiple types of CRM settings. In the start point, you can see the status and drop down, currency setting, location, taxes, CGST, SGST, product wise taxes, unit of measurement, product property. You can see a deal pipeline, contact and my company details, and solution presents also you can find. So you can find also forms and report settings also. If you want to create a custom fields, you can create a custom fields from here also only. If you want to see the analyticals report, you can see from here only. You can see the payment option also there. You can, if you want to see the payment option, payment system, you can see payment system, Bitrix24 market permission. You can see the access permission over here. In automation, you can also find the business process automation, lead automation, and deal automation. Okay. Email also there. You can, if you want to create a email template or email integration, so you can do from here only. Integration also, SMS notification, third party integration. If you want to do, you can connect from here only. Bitrix24 market also there. CRM application for migration, any third party software to Bitrix24, you can migrate here. Auto numbering template, document, invoices, you can find in the CRM setting. Also you can find the drive uses, other settings and exceptions. So these are the settings of a CRM in Bitrix24. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.